So good morning once again. In continuation on page 116, type of test to measure knowledge, process, and understanding. Simple recall. This is the most common tool to measure knowledge. There are varieties of simple recall tests. When we say simple recall test, it is the easiest type of construct among the objectives of type of test because the item appears as a direct question, a sentence, a word, or phrases, or even a specific direction. Simple recall include fill in the blank, enumeration, and identification. First, when we say fill in the blank, it is the test question where students are given a statement with a blank and they're required to fill it in and with the most appropriate answer. Fill in the blank requires remembering of Bloom taxonomy. And if we'll design a question, could be applying. The next one is enumeration. Enumeration is done by enumerating particular answer to a particular question. So this type is actually a Jimmy, or what to say, a very easy. So enumeration type of exam, quiz, test do not require you to answer in order, but meaning you can answer an enumeration in any order of all answers. But some teacher um, instruct in terms of enumeration in order or sometimes in any order. It depends on the teacher and how give the instruction. Yes. Next is identification. It is defined as the act of determining who someone or what something is. So this response require the students to recall the previously lessons, and the answer are usually short, consisting of either a word or a phrases. The next one is alternative response test. So this is the type of a paper and pencil test where two options or choices are provided. So the item can be stated in a question or a statement form. So this test consists of declarative statement that the students is asked to mark true or false, right or wrong, correct or incorrect, yes or no, fact or opinion, agree or disagree. So that's all for that alternative response test. Next is multiple choice. This is a type identified as the most versatile test type because it can measure a variety of learning outcomes. So it consists of a problem and a list of what we call that suggested solution. So the incomplete statement or a direct question is called this STEM. Know what is the meaning of STEM. So the list of suggested solution in words, numbers, symbols, or phrases are called alternatives, options, or choices. There should be 3 to 5 options in each items. Example, if A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2, what is A plus B? So the choices is A is 12, B 3, C 4, and D are 13. So usually the options or choices are four four options. It depends on the teacher on how many options they put. What's that tama ba? So next, okay, let's move on. So the correct alternatives the correct alternative is called answer, while the remaining options or choices are called what we call that, distractors or decoys, something like that. So some multiple choice items are presented with a thing stimulus materials. So when we say multiple choice test, it is a response in which respondents are asked to select only one correct answer from the choices offered. So that would be all my report on page 117. If any clarification or question, please leave a comment. Thank you.